everyone. Can you see this huge pile of groceries I came in with today? We made it. We rode the bus, we came, we're home, and now I got to put it all away. But before I do that, I want to share with you guys what I got and what I bought. Whew, I probably sound a little out of breath, but you know, it was a lot. But we made it. Okay, let's scan the table here so you can get a good close-up, plus these two items right here. Okay, let's get started in showing you what I bought so that I can get on with my day. So, this was on sale. It's the same as Spam. We really like it fried for breakfast. I bought 2 of those. They were $1 something a piece. I don't know how many of these I got, but I got black beans. I go through them so quickly. Black beans. We also got some evaporated milk in here. I did buy the fire roasted diced tomatoes, some tomato paste right here. Yeah, and then we bought the giant thing of tomatoes here. And I know that there's 2 kidney beans, couple kidney beans. That's black beans too. Let's see. That's tomatoes. I bought several of the same thing because we go through it and I'm kind of stocking up just a little bit. Not for any particular reason other than I get tired of going to... I did get a couple of their pumpkins, pumpkin puree. I did buy that. Everything I'm picking up is some evaporated milk. I already showed that. Let's see here. Maybe it's up front. I did get a couple Rotails, their brand of Rotail. We did get kidney beans. I got a couple kidney beans, and that is pretty much it for the canned food. I just got multiple cans. Did get my Diet Coke. Again, their brand, it doesn't bother me. It tastes the same to me. It might not be the same for you, but it is really good to me. This is their brand of the Kaluski noodles. I like to have these on hand because these are excellent in soup. Some crackers, couple things of breadcrumbs. It wasn't out, but went ahead and got that. Also got a new baking powder. I think mine is out of date and it's time for me to get rid of it. Couple things of bread. Couple things of honey roasted peanuts for my honey bear. He loves those to snack on. And they're not badly priced. Also stocked up on some baking stuff. So I've got some powdered sugar that I bought, as well as self-rising flour, a thing of their sugar, bought a thing of coffee filters. Now, Walmart has not been getting our coffee in, and I did buy beans that I can grind, but Ronnie and I decided today, this is $8 and something a can. We're going to try their classic roast and see if we like it. If we don't, we'll give it to somebody else, but it's fine. We're going to try that, and we will keep you posted. And if you drink it, let me know what you think, because I've never bought their brand, but every time I go, they have it. So we'll see. For $8 for a big can like this, that's really reasonable. Steak fries. These are the chicken fillets. We had these the other day. They were really, really good. Made excellent quick sandwiches on the go. 2 things of the Salisbury steak. Bought that last time. Loved it. Love having some easy fixing things on hand, especially for our busy days. Some hash browns. Love these hash browns. Just stick them in the oven. They taste like the ones that come from McDonald's. Your kids will love you. A couple things of mayonnaise. I go through a lot of mayonnaise, so I do have one. I'm about out with the one in the refrigerator. So I've got one left on the shelf, and so I bought 2 more to have on the shelf. Now understand, we're coming into fall/winter. What I do, if you've not familiar with me, my husband and I are both visually impaired, and so we use friends or, well, we don't use our friends, but we have friends or public transportation to get groceries. So because of that, that is why we stock up. I try to make sure that I have 2 of everything on the shelf. So I have a container of flour, but when I empty one bag and I go down to one, I buy one, if that makes sense. That way I always have an extra on the shelf because I just can't get in a car and go and get. This keeps me organized and on track, and I know that I have pretty much all the essentials. Even when I don't think I have something fixed, there's something in there that I can fix. So we got a couple butters. Eggs, outrageously priced, people. Outrageous. $3.25 today for a dozen. I think that is ridiculous. 2 things of chicken stock. I have been using this body wash because you guys know when the weather changes, I talk about it oh so often in my videos about my skin going crazy, but this absolutely works wonders. I was going to wait to buy it tomorrow, but this was such a good deal. I could actually get 2 bottles for the price of what I paid for one. So that's why I got those. 2 jars of spaghetti sauce, my favorite, which is the mushroomer, and heavy whipping cream because I'm going to be making a new recipe. You guys are going to be seeing these. It's going to be a freezer meal thing. So sour cream, 2 of those. I have a bunch of apples. Thought this would be really good and complimentary for myself because Ronnie's not an apple person, but this sounded delicious for a snack. He got the small curd cottage cheese. That is my Greek yogurt. It's vanilla. A half a gallon of 2%. 2 things of salsa. This is the medium. We love our salsa in this house. Some bananas, some spinach. And let's see what else we got here. We've got some onions back here. And 2 packages of the mushroom tortellini noodles. Going to be using those. Let's see. How do I want to get there? I needed a new stool for upstairs at my vanity. Mine is busted. I seen this one. It was $11. Thought it was really cute. It's all I need, you know, to park myself, to put my makeup on upstairs. Very cute. Very inexpensive. And I thought, my goodness, this, you know, they really, they've got a lot of things that are super cute in their aisles, you know, as far as like home decor and stuff. This was adorable. I liked it. And I thought, you know what, if I decide I don't want to use it for my vanity, it'll go somewhere. It's really cute. Bag of potatoes. I go through a lot of potatoes. Now, y'all going to hear this scoot so I can get back here. Some seasoning packets. So we've got chili. We've got taco, and I think that's it. Yes, chili and taco. We've got 2 boxes of the Reese's brownie mix. We've got some black tea bags. This is what I make my sweet tea with. Ronnie likes plain old bran flakes, and I like Honey Smacks, but that's their brand of the Honey Smacks. I'm going to walk around on the other side. I think it'll be easier. My back has had it today. It's tired. My back is tired. 2 big bags of tortilla chips. We go through a lot of these because I make taco soup and stuff, and so we use them. Okay, this is meat. So we've got some hot Italian sausage as well as some ground mild sausage. We've got some hamburger meat. I'm going to mix this with this and make freezer meatballs. And 2 big packs of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Here we have 2 bricks of the cream cheese, and we've got cheese. So we have 2 Colby Jacks and 1, of course I'd pick up the exact same one, wouldn't I? And 1 triple cheddar. Then we also got the thick cut pepperoni, as well as the pepper jack cheese. I will tell you, we had groceries delivered last time, and they did not have the pepperoni, but they had this, which was the Italian dry salami. Had to buy it again because it was that good. And got my turkey meat as well, which I like. I like this because I can alternate. Like, I can eat this for lunch, but I can also put this with an egg and make me, like, extra protein, you know, for breakfast, which I love. Well, anyways, that is all I bought. And now I got to put it all away. And I think I'm going to put away all the perishable stuff and then sit down and take a break and then get back too. But this is it for today. I hope y'all are doing fantastic and you enjoyed this very quick Aldi haul video. And, you know, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Have you tried this coffee? Is it any good? We're going to try it tomorrow morning. We'll see. And, yes, I'm going to get this stuff put away. Have a good one, guys. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.